Welcome to Study Loop.
In this problem, drawing the diagram first, so just look at it carefully. After that, I will simplify the problem. So the diagram can be drawn something like this. I'm just draw the rough diagram. So here this point is point A, this point is point B, this is point O, this angle is theta, this is 0.6 meter, this is 1 meter, and this is of 0.8 meter. Now I can write the value of EA is equal to I naught by 0.6 square. So solving it further, I can write the value of I naught is equal to 15 multiplication 0.6 square, which is equal to 5.4 candela. Now I can write the value of EB is equal to I naught cos theta by OB square. From figure, cos theta is equal to 0.6 by 1 and the value of OB is equal to 1 meter. So the value of EB is equal to 5.4 multiplication 0.6 by 1, which is equal to 3.24 lux as the answer.